Right now, somewhere in the world, a job that existed last year no longer exists. Not because the person doing it was bad at it, because a tool learned to do it faster, cheaper, and without a salary. If the most repetitive parts of your job disappeared tomorrow, what would be left? That question is not meant to scare you. It is meant to show you exactly where your real value is and where it isn't. Here is what most career advice gets wrong. Careers do not grow because you work harder at what you already know. They grow because you keep expanding the gap between what you can do and what can be easily replaced. In the AI era, that gap is everything. The people whose careers are actually growing right now are not the ones with the most experience in one lane. They are the ones who sit at the intersection of domains. Someone who understands operations and can use AI to automate a workflow. Someone who understands people and can translate what a technical team built into something clients actually want. Career growth in the AI era means expanding your surface area, not deepening a single narrow groove. Now the mistakes. There are 3 that professionals make repeatedly. The first, waiting for their employer to train them. The professionals becoming indispensable are spending time daily learning tools their employer has not even thought to ask for yet. The second, confusing being busy with being valuable. Busyness protects your current position. It does not build your next one. If everything you do could be handed to a well-prompted AI tool within 18 months, you are not building a career, you are maintaining a seat. The third, dismissing AI as something only technical people use. If you work in communications, operations, HR, or executive support, AI is already inside your function. The question is whether you will shape how it is used or be displaced by someone who does. Which skills actually matter? 3 categories. First, judgment. AI can generate, but it cannot evaluate with context, relationships, and nuance the way a sharp human can. Knowing what is missing, what is wrong, what the client will actually respond to, that is not automatable. Second, communication. The ability to translate complexity into clarity compounds in value as AI floods the world with generic content. Third, systems thinking. Understanding how the parts of an organization connect, where friction lives, and how to design processes that work under real conditions. Indispensability is not about being irreplaceable in one role. It is about being the person whose absence creates a visible gap. That person exists at the overlap of technical fluency and human skill. They understand tools well enough to direct them, and they understand people well enough to apply the output in ways that matter. Here is your 90-day roadmap. First 30 days, audit your current role honestly. List every task. Mark which ones could be automated or augmented. This is not a threat assessment, it is a map of where your energy should shift. Days 30 to 60. Pick one skill, judgment, communication, or systems thinking, and build one visible piece of work around it. A process redesigned, a tool implemented. Make your growth visible. Days 60 to 90. Teach something. Write a short guide. Run a session for your team. Teaching forces clarity, and clarity compounds credibility. The professionals who will look back on this decade as the one that made their career are not the ones who feared AI most. They are the ones who understood it earliest and made themselves useful in ways that tools alone never could. Your career is not at risk because of AI. It is at risk only if you stay exactly where you are and call it stability.
If this video challenged you, subscribe and share it with a friend. Let's grow together at that School of Greatness.